often Jack's voice to ring. Seems to be troubled by distant
All right. Can we get a round of applause for these tiny, tiny little people who have said you today? Now, this was an extremely shy group, but there was two people who really strutted their stuff. And for the king crown, may I please call the real Batman himself. The real Batman. Because we noticed that he did this. And he was really strutting those muscles. You, sir, have earned the king of the parade crown. It's a bit small. My bad. We made them. Okay? But it's your crown. And for the most committed parader out of the ladies, with some pretty excellent makeup, I must say, Emma. Emma, would you please come up and accept your blue crown? All right, my little lovelies, I'd like everyone to sit back around on this side. There we go, there we go.